Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at another Lego Polybag, and in this case, it's number 30165, and this is Hawkeye with equipment. Now, I've noticed a lot of times with sets like this, it's mainly about the minifig, and so the rest of the set kind of, I don't know, suffers a little bit, Polybag-wise. But we'll see. Also, if you happen to enjoy these videos, please think about subscribing, because I plan on doing one of these Lego Polybag build-alongs, one a day for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy this kind of thing, please subscribe and turn on notifications so it'll let you know whenever I post a new one. And oh, also, if you have any interest in the Polybag, I'll include links in the description for, okay. So this is like Serious Hawkeye and Angry Hawkeye? Well, he's going to be wearing his stylish sunglasses. So, anyway, I included links in the description to Amazon and Brick Link, and also the brick set page for this, if you want to check out the parts and any information about it. His hair looks weird. Maybe his head's a little bit off. There we go. Alright. So Hawkeye is getting his Michael Jackson on and wearing one glove, which, you know, can't be helped, I guess. Actually, the last set I put together was a zombie chauffeur who was also wearing only one glove. So maybe it's, you know, more common than I thought. So there's Hawkeye with his bow. Alright. So let's see what we got here. So this looks like it's just an equipment rack. And I guess one kind of neat thing is they do give you some equipment, which is not bad. And then you kind of just build up the equipment rack like so, and like so. I mean, there's some interesting pieces in here. Like, some of these pieces are kind of neat. Oh, although, oops, we need this one down there, first of all, and then this one on the side, like so, and this goes on top, and then we have another 1x4 brick, and we get the tile, and I guess warning lights, maybe? I don't quite get the warning lights, but what the heck. Sometimes you need warning lights. And then we populate this with a walkie-talkie and some handcuffs and binoculars. So binoculars first, and then handcuffs. And I'm guessing this is a fire extinguisher. At least that's the intent. And so we got a fire extinguisher. And extra piece-wise, you get an extra pair of handcuffs, and you get an extra orange light. It's kind of neat looking, I guess. It's sort of a, I mean, it's more of a, I don't know, it feels like it's just sort of a little, like, set piece. But, I mean, it's not bad. Something sort of nifty to have with your Hawkeye. I don't know. What y'all think? There wasn't really much in the way of assembly to do. It was mainly put together Hawkeye. But, I don't know. I think I like a little more meat to my polybags. And I mean, like, this is just, I think this is just a drawback of one of the polybags that's primarily a vehicle for the character. But still, I mean, you get some kind of interesting pieces. It's not bad, I guess. Anyway, what do y'all think? Do you like the more involved polybags better, or is it one of those things like you want it for the minifig and you don't really care? I don't know. I mean, like, I do like the minifigs. Man, I do wish I'd bought more of that particular set. I think I only bought one of the Wolverine, Deadpool, Magneto helicopter chase. Or whatever it's called. Something with a helicopter in it. But anyway, it had the 3 of them. Anyway, I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you prefer the more involved polybags, or do you like the ones that are primarily just the character? Also, if I've made any terrible glaring errors, you can let me know in the comments. And if there's any polybag you think I should absolutely check out, you can also let me know down there as well. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.